What is going on, everyone? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video, and on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Silicon Valley Bank and how this ties into crypto as well as the overall global financial market. So before I get to it, guys, like always, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Love to hear your thoughts and opinion about the overall global crypto market. So guys, the quick summary, if you haven't been following the news, Silicon Valley Bank actually went under, guys. So a lot of people are assuming that this is dealing with FTX, but the problem is actually a little bit deeper than what most people think. It's actually, in my opinion, due to the Fed rate hikes. So if we take a look here, guys, at just overall banks, especially well-known banks, we have JP Morgan, we have Bank of America, we have Citi, we have Wells Fargo. All of these banks, they're actually operating off of a net unrealized loss. And that actually started once the rate hike started happening, guys. So, every time this goes on, well, not every time, as time continue to progress, these numbers are going to continue to go higher and higher and higher. Because if you picture this, and these are just going to be arbitrary numbers, like the bank, have a certain percentage as far as like how much they are, it costs them to hold notes. So if that price of the note constantly go up, by the feds, and it's going up rapidly, then that's going to continue to produce them, or to continue to keep them at a unrealized net loss. So with the SVB, which is Silicon Valley Bank, they were operating off of that a very long time. Now, short sellers saw that, so they took the opportunity to come in to actually start shorting the stock. And not only are they, when they started shorting the stock, they do have a certain threshold where the stock have to stay above before the creditors come knocking on their door. So unfortunately that happened. Creditors came knocking on their door, which eventually caused the bank to actually collapse. Now, something to note, guys, when it's dealing as far as with the crypto market, the exposure, USDC had money tied into SVB. So the fact that the money, about $3 billion was tied into it is causing panic within the crypto market. So right now, USDC is currently unpegged. So it's 9 cents unpegged. So, definitely don't know which direction this is going to go. Most people think that it's going to get eventually pegged. But the big question is when. Now, this week coming up is going to be a huge week for us. I believe we're going to actually see a rate cut. Why do I think we're going to see a rate cut? It is due to the fact that all these other banks are suffering as well too. Because the longer and longer this goes on with rate hikes, then all these banks have the potential to fall, like SVB. And not to get political, you have Biden, who's looking to try to potentially get reelected. And the fact of the matter is, he may ask for, Jerome Powell to step down if he continue to be as hawkish as he is. Because it's not only affecting the global and financial market, but it's also affecting crypto. So if we take a look at just, Bitcoin in itself, which is the leader in the sector, Bitcoin is like, just based upon the chart, because once this news happened yesterday, you saw people started jumping into Bitcoin as far as like a safety haven, but now you got people taking profits or people getting out. So the market right now is uncertain. So right now, the best thing that I could do is just wait and see what happened next week, then just try to assess it from there. Hopefully this video was of value, guys. If you're new to the channel, like always, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Love to hear your thoughts and opinion about the crypto market. Random Arts guys signing off. Peace.